Hey everyone, what's going on with you? This is your boy Big J with Boatrights BBQ, coming at you with a little video on how to maintenance your Primo grill, how to take care of it, how to control temperatures, how to clean it, how to start it. Believe it or not, I get asked a lot of times, how do you start a fire? It's real basic, but if you don't know, you just don't know. So I'm going to go over a few things with that on how simple it is to start your Primo grill based on what type of cook that you're doing. Okay, so when you're starting your Primo ceramic grill for the first time, or whenever you're starting a fire, you want to get it going, you want to open up your vents. You can open it up all the way. You can open your top up part of the way or all the way. The main thing is you get your charcoal inside, make your bed of charcoal. You're going to take something like tumbleweeds, or you're going to take something like some sort of a starter. You're just going to set it right there on top of that charcoal. The Primo is designed to do the work for you. You don't even have to worry about trying to get it up fast or slow. It's going to do it for you based off of your control. These are your controls. You're going to control everything from your vents, your dampers. You can open them up all the way. You can let a good, fast, hot cook going, or you can close it off some when you get to your desired temperature. Get it to the point you want. You got the numbers. You can put it to a 1, 2, even lower. You can lower it slow. If you want to go higher, you're going to open it up more. If you really want to get that baby crank, turn it all the way up. You got it fully open. That baby's going to get hot and fast to you, just where you want it, like if you're doing your steaks or searing. Close it off. Again, it's real simple. The number one thing to start a fire is to be patient. Being patient. Same with the cooking. It's going to be ready when it's ready. Don't get in a rush. It's going to get the charcoals where you want it. When it's at your desired temp, then you can place your meat on. Just that simple. So when it comes to the cleaning of your Primo grill, it's real easy. I'll tell you up front, one of the things you're going to want to do, get you a shop vac, a wet dry vac, or a little dirt devil, something of that nature. As your coals burn, the ashes are going to go down to the bottom, and they're going to all filter down. Anything that's not broken up or broken off, you're going to rake it. Take tools that they provide you with the Primo, break those little pieces on up with the ashes. They're going to all settle down here at the bottom. Once they settle, it's just easy. I'm going to open this up. Again, take your tool provided. You can pull the ashes forward. Suck them right on out of there with your wet dry vac or your little dirt devil, whatever you got. And it's really that simple. Everything about the Primo grill is convenient and it's simple. You can't go wrong with it. Most people make things more difficult than they are. It's not. So there's no reason for you to be intimidated. Primo ceramic grills really made it convenient for you to have a great grilling experience. They made it simple. It's enjoyable. It's just all about you having the patience to get in here and do it. Give it a shot. I guarantee you will not regret getting a Primo ceramic grill.